Have you ever been in a relationship where everything seems great at first, but then suddenly, the man pulls away and shuts you out? Or maybe you've experienced the pain of an emotionally dead relationship, where it feels like you're just going through the motions without any real connection. If so, what I'm about to share with you will change the way you experience relationships forever. The truth is, men secretly want just one thing, and once you understand this crucial craving, you'll never have to struggle to keep a man interested or connected on a deep emotional level again. This secret male obsession is the biggest key to being truly irresistible to a man, in a way that goes far beyond physical attraction. It's the number one reason men pull away when it's missing from a relationship. But thousands of women who have discovered this one male desire have used it to turn hopeless situations into the life-fulfilling relationships they always dreamed of. The kind of loving companionship and exciting romance that we all deserve. If you want to uncover the secret male desire and find out exactly how you can use it to bring you and your man closer together than ever before, then click the link in the description below to watch the free version while it's still up. You'll be glad you did. Don't let another relationship slip away because you didn't know the one thing that men crave the most.